The number one cryptocurrency narrative in 2024 in terms of percentage gains was AI, followed by meme coins, RWA, Layer 1, and DEPIN. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 AI and DEPIN secret crypto altcoins, one of which has absolutely exploded. So congratulations if you've been here on the channel. Let's explode the like button to new all-time highs. If we get to 10,000 likes on this video, I'll do a massive giveaway for our community. And please also understand that I'm not a financial advisor. In full disclosure, I do hold these cryptocurrency assets. Crypto trading is very risky. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. And this video is for educational and inspirational purposes only and not financial advice. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get started. According to CoinGecko, AI absolutely topped the charts at the end of the year here of 2024. Well, now it's 2025, and this AI narrative has continued towards the upside. You can see that the average returns were over 2,931%. That's absolutely crazy, and we've called some absolute gems here on this channel. Speaking of, what is one of those gems? Well, your first coin has to be Cookie 3. Now, Cookie 3, literally we talked about this crypto project 1 month ago. This video got 47,000 views, so I know some of you actually watched this video. This is one of our secret crypto bonus coins all the way at the end of this video, and because their cookie.fun is now live, this coin has absolutely exploded. You can see we ended up sharing this project at 3 cents, and it went all the way as high as 62 cents literally yesterday. And on CoinGecko is literally the top gainer for all crypto projects, up over 125% in the last 24 hours alone. So I just wanted to say congratulations if you have been here on this channel, because that's literally a 17x on your money. So now let me share with you a little bit more about what I shared in this video about Cookie 3 and the price action. This is a data-driven toolkit transforming Web3 marketing, and they also have created their very first AI agents analytic dashboard that just dropped called Cookie.fun. And if you go to Cookie.fun, this is where you can scroll down and you can see the AI agents index and all of the different new cryptocurrency projects, as well as a variety of different data and market cap for you to explore and learn in real time. And with this new release, you can see the weekly breakout here is absolutely massive. This went all the way to 5.6 cents, and you can see that this is clearly making a breakout here from the last few weeks. So again, sitting at only a $5 million market cap and a fully diluted valuation of $35.4 million. This is a cryptocurrency coin that's certainly on my radar as well. Now, one of the reasons why Cookie 3 has had so much success is because they've pivoted and created something extraordinarily valuable to the AI marketplace today. Their AI.fun has literally become one of the most popular dApps recently, and is a lot more. In fact, they're the one-stop Web3 marketing, and they work with Google Analytics as well, using AI to take your marketing needs to the next levels. Now, yes, looking at this chart, it has gone absolutely parabolic. So am I recommending that you buy, sell, and trade this cryptocurrency asset? At this time, I don't recommend anything to anyone, but I just wanted to share with you the price action. Now, could this certainly come a little bit lower before maybe making a next move higher? Yes, anything's on the table, or it could just continue here and go higher to a whole nother level as well. So again, there are multiple different scenarios at play, but the fact that this crypto project is still only a $100 million market cap coin, and the fully diluted valuation is 500 million, shows me that there could still be upside in the long run with this project, and that is why Cookie 3 is your number one coin at this time. Now, your number two coin has to be the smashing the like button altcoin. No, I'm just kidding, but thanks again for all of your support. Let's get this video to 10,000 likes. If we do that, I will do a massive giveaway for our community here. So let's smash up that like button, because your number two coin is Based AI. Now, we have some new updates here with Based AI. In the last 8 hours since the birth of one creature acting as a generator has requested over 926,000 lines of code. This creature is the first in parallel competitive process that results in an evolution of GitHub codebase. Now, the really big news with Based AI is that their mainnet is now live. If you don't know what Based AI is a distribution network of machines which introduces decentralized infrastructurable capability of integrating fully homomorphic encryption, FEH, with any large language models connected to its network. So what exactly does that mean? Well, Based AI is an agentic blockchain that is going to write software software at an unbelievable pace. Think 10,000 ideas every single hour, then hundreds of potential Git branches, first by the day, then the hour, then the minute. And like a block explorer, based AI will need a project or idea explorer. Thousands of timely projects and potential features will be streaming every hour. And based AI is whatever based AI decides collectively it wants to be. Humans are not required. Now, one of the reasons why I'm sharing this project with you again today is because in order to get brains, you need to burn Pepe coin in exchange for brain credits. One Pepe coin in the beginning is one brain credit, but if all brains are issued, nearly 80% of the total supply of Pepe coin is going to be burned. Now, today, Pepe coin is sitting up 17%, and with recently Elon Musk changing his profile picture and his name to Kekis Maximus, Pepe and Pepe the Frog have been in the mainstream now more than ever. So between what's happening with Pepe coin and based AI, this is why I'm sharing this project with you again today. Now, looking at the liquidity, the fully diluted valuation, and the market cap, there is a ton of liquidity for this project, which is fantastic for whales as well as anyone who wants to get in and out of this project. Also, the fully diluted valuation is only at $195 million, up today to $5.50. But the reason why I believe this is a secret crypto project is because comparing this project to another project, BitTensor, which is sitting at a $4.2 billion market cap, 195 million is absolutely peanuts. And I believe this is a better version of what BitTensor Tau is at today. This is why based AI is your number 2 coin. Now, your third cryptocurrency coin and sponsor of this segment has to be Lumoz. Now, Lumoz is the leading modular compute layer for ZK, AI, and RAAS, offering robust compute power and verification services for ZK AI applications across chains with diverse architectures. Now, today they've also come out with some huge news regarding their roadmap updates. You can see in Q4 here, this was the token generation event, the launch of the ZK Verifier node network, and the community airdrops and staking system. And now here for H1 and H2, you can see they're going to be supporting SVMI Solana Virtual Machine for RAAS, support for TVM-TON Virtual Machine for RAAS, the launch of a more excellent layer 1, layer 2 chains like UX Link, Carve, and many others, as well as the launch of the Lumoz chain along with the ZK provider network and the ZK POW mining pool. Now in H2, the Lumoz modular computing power network will provide computing power for AI agents and training ZK ML models. And there's also going to be support for Move, Stack Chains, and RAAS, full support for OpStack, ZK fraud proof, and RAAS, as well as integrating more data availability for layers and execution layers. And I believe this project is just getting started. They have their roadmap all the way going into 2026 plus for support for seamless integration of ZK providers and ZK layers, support for more rollups and Lumoz RAS, as well as interoperability between rollups launched by Lumoz. And looking at the charts today, it's had a very nice bounce of over 39%. The market cap still is only at 22 million with a fully diluted valuation of over 200,000. And because this is a new project, a lot of the tokens will not be unlocked for quite a while. And that being said, the fact that it's on Arbitrum means it's a secret project that very few people right now at this time actually know about. And the fact that the market cap is only at $22 million shows me that this cryptocurrency may be undervalued at this time. So there you have it. Those are your 3 secret AI cryptos at the time of this recording that I believe are set to do some very nice numbers in the future, maybe even go as high as 100x at the end of the bull run. And you might say, Joe, that's crazy. How could coins actually do 100x? Well, if you look at the bottom here of Cookie 3, all the way to the all-time highs here, it's already sitting at a 35x. Congratulations if you again have been here on the channel. And if you want to know even more secret crypto coins that I'm buying personally and with my VIP students, simply click the links down below and join my new VIP program today. Every single one of my VIP program purchases has been profitable for investors. In fact, this portfolio alone is up over $32,000, with our best performing portfolio being up over $44,000. We literally bought Bitcoin at $16,100, Ethereum at $1,100, and BNB at $260. So if you want entry points and you want to know what the next cryptocurrencies to explode are going to be, simply click those links down below and we'll see you in VIP. Thanks for watching.